Let's find out what are the contents inside the box. Good phone, looks stylish, handy, and of course, the color, it's very cute. It's dark and reddish. I love it. This is the phone key. Cable cord. And the charger. A good screen quality and it's very clear. This smartphone, Vivo Y15, is powered by Mediatek MT6662 processor. Vivo Y15 is run on an Android 9.0 operating system, but with FunTouch 9 and user interface. The smartphone is fueled by 5,000 milliamperes and non-removable, and it supports fast charging. You will enjoy a seamless performance while accessing a multiple application at the same time. Oh, we almost forgot the most important thing. It's the manual. It has a free silicone cover to protect the phone. Overall, it's perfect for my blogging activities. Again, Abcill here, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated in the next video. Bye-bye!